Hello learners, today I am going to teach you fourth chapter from Flamingo book. Chapter name is Rat Trap. It is second part of the Rat Trap. Here 20 very important MCQ for your examination. So let us see the first question is, what does the metaphor rat trap in the lesson signify? Attraction, thieves, human greed and destruction. Correct answer is human greed and destruction. Question number 2. What lightens the seriousness of the lesson? Peddler's tricks, peddler's gossip, peddler's greed, peddler's story. Correct answer is peddler's greed. Question number 3. Why did Edna have doubt about the peddler? His word, his behavior, his fear, none of these. Correct answer is his behavior. Next question is, why did Crofter show 30 kroner to the peddler? Because he was sad, to show him down, to share his feeling of pride, none of these. Correct answer is to share his feeling of pride. Question number 5. Who used to make rat trap? Adla, peddler, crofter, ironmaster. Correct answer is peddler. How did crofter treat the peddler? Very rudely, friendly manner, very strange, none of these. Correct answer is friendly manner. How much money had the peddler stolen from crofter? 20 kroner, 30 kroner, 40 kroner, 50 kroner. Correct answer is 30 kroner. Next question is, what did the package left for Adla contain? Few bangles, a ring, small rat traps with 30 kroner, a necklace. Correct answer is a small rat trap with 30 kroner. The peddler spent most of his Christmas Eve playing, sleeping, singing, talking. Correct answer is sleeping. The peddler gave the ironmaster a lecture on how to be honest, how the world is a rat trap, how to be ethically correct, how to be professional. Correct answer is how the world is a rat trap. Next question is, the girl had brought with her which one of the following articles to make him feel warm? Sweater, blanket, a fur coat, none of these. Correct answer is a fur coat. Next question is, The vagabond compared the whole world to a planet, space, rat trap, universe. Correct answer is a rat trap. Next question is, what earns the sympathy of the readers towards the peddler? His story, his sense of humor and acceptance, actions, his face. Correct answer is his sense of humor and acceptance. Next question is, why does the peddler knit up various kind of thought? Because of greed, because of traveling, because of loneliness and poverty, none of these. Correct answer is because of loneliness and poverty. Why did the peddler feel like stealing? Habitual of it, has a repay, alone, has to buy a drink, due to others' indifference to his needs. Correct answer is due to others' indifference his need. Next question is, the rat trap peddler left a note with the package. The note was signed as the peddler, the thief, the tramp, the Captain von Stele. Correct answer is the Captain von Stele. Next question is, the reaction of Iron Master to the peddler's lecture was that he shouted at him, he made fun of him, he laughed, he slapped him. Correct answer is he shouted at him. It is true, he made of him also. Main answer is many places he shouted and made fun of him. Both are correct. The reason of Iron Master's unhappiness was peddler looked ugly. He had made a mistake in recognizing him. He came to know he was a thief. None of these. Correct answer is he had made a mistake in recognizing him. Next question is, where did the Iron Master and his daughter learn that the peddler was a thief? At the church, at the temple, at the market, none of these. Correct answer is at the church. And the last one is, the Adla wanted the peddler to stay so that he could play cards with her, enjoy at least Christmas with them, eat a meat with them, play game of poker with them. Answer is enjoy at least Christmas with them. Thank you.